peeps, people, I meant. We're trying to play World of Warships. I'm not gonna play World Tanks like the last vid. Now, just wait. This game, I usually had it before. Like, in the first vid, I did Tanks, World of Tanks, I would probably say. Let's see. You know, it's daily login. Silver booster. So it gives you more silver. What is this? Free XP. This is United States boats. Warship boats. The Germans. I think these are Russians. Orlan. I don't know. Let's go to Armory. Let's go. There. There's campaigns. I need to be level 11. No. I like playing campaign. Oh my god. Why? Oh, well, I don't even know what level am I. What the? Oh, sorry. This fell. There. Dang. All of them are level 2 and most of them are level 1. No, like not most of them, but there's just 2 of them. 2 of them that's level 1. For real. I need speed up. Then you go. Full speed. You suck. Oh, come on! You little dookie. Yes, hit him one time. What? Over? You better not move! Boom. Come on, come on. And dead. What? That killed him. That's gay. And dead. There's one hiding over there. All the way. Ah, it's too far. Wait. No. Oh, crap. Well, I'm doomed. There. Suck up. Oh, crap. Sonic speed. Oh crap. Where's that?
The situation is under control.
This one's almost dead.
Nice shot.
This one's getting closer. How dare you get closer? Just perfect for me to hit. Nothing can hurt me. Oh, I'm getting hurt too, but this one's almost dead. And I'm gonna die. Well, I'm done. Well, my team, they didn't help me. He died because he didn't help me. Bleh. Well, then again. I'm the best. All of them suck. They don't know how to shoot. Promotion. Yay. Level 7. Nope. I don't like that. Oh, I need to burp there. Let's see the last ones. This one looks so cool. Damn! I want this one! Oh, crap. I can't have this. Damn. I want the battleship. I want the I want the Montana. I want this one too. Nah. I only want these two. I want this one and this one. Who has more guns? 5,550, 5,554, and 4,866. Yeah, so this one has more guns. I still want it. Let's see, what kind of good ships does China have? Yamato. Guns. Good. Yep, they're good. Zao. Gun is 3,000? What about this one? 5,791? Dang. That's anti-aircraft armament. Dang. What is this? Let's see this. Man, this one sucks. Let's have the most gun. I want to think that's for gun. I do like these. It's just like aircraft. Let's see. These are British, I would say. Well, this is the only best one they have. Damn. Ooh, this one's dang. 5,356. I'd rather vote for this one. The last one is worse. And then it doesn't have lots of, guns. Yeah. I can get this, but I don't want it. Say, what kind of German guns they have? Let's see the last one. 4,000. That don't suck. 5,001. Nah. 3,000 gun. Nah. 4,000. Nah. Wait. No. I see these. I have this one. I can buy this one. But I don't want it yet. Let's see. Nope. Only 2,000 guns. That suck. 4,000. I'd rather have this one. Let's see. 2,000. Nah. 1,000. Nah. Nah. Let's see. This is Japan. This is Japan. This is China. China doesn't have good ones. China only has these ones. China boats suck. Let's see these. What? 3,000. Minnesota. Wait. This one has 5,554. 5,554. 5,554. This one's 5,791. I vote this as my first, since they have more guns. The more guns, the more powerful. I think. But